For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. Salman and Sohail Khan are running around promoting their upcoming film Tube Light, and now there is one show where the Khan brothers created a complete riot with their antics. The show is a special integration show with Sunil Grover titled Super Night with Tube Light. This 2-hour-long episode will be aired on Sony TV and will definitely give other shows a run for their money. Sunil Grover, Ali Asgar, Sugandha Mishra and Moni Roy seem to have a blast with the Khan brothers, and together it was 2 hours of entertainment unloaded. Moni Roy's sizzling act left everyone mesmerized, while the bantering between Salman and Sohail left the audience rolling in the aisles. It was fun to watch Sunil Grover return to TV in his famous Dr. Mashur Gulati avatar. The team also shook a leg to the hit numbers from Tube Light. All in all, this is one episode we wouldn't want to miss. Would we? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. We do know that Salman Khan's Tube Light is up for a release on June 23rd and is a perfect Eid bonanza for fans. Well, Salman does know that his fans are excited not only about the release but also have enjoyed its trailer, pictures, videos, songs, etc. Salman thus has a great offer for his fans and all film lovers. He has decided to open the flick for bookings 5 days before the release. Yes, this is a great breakthrough for fans, as normally the time lapse is between 2 to 3 days. Now Tube Light is available 5 days in advance, and that is a great gift for all Salman fans and of course the film going public. So what do you feel about this ticket dhamaka for Salman's Tube Light? Are you going to book much in advance and join the mad rush to be a part of the Salman Khan film experience? Yes, we are waiting to know from you. The newly launched trailer of Akshay Kumar's Toilet Ek Prem Katha he manages to hit the jackpot every single time and yet deliver films which have a message and make an impact. But do you know that initially the production house did not want to cast Akshay Kumar in the role, and even Neeraj Pandey felt that they could do with a younger face. However, Siddharth and Garima were adamant and the rest is history. Aki finally came on board and like always he has given his best. So we can definitely expect a blockbuster in Toilet Ek Prem Katha. Casting Bhumi Pednekar, the film is a satirical comedy which highlights the evils of defecating in the open. Now this is one film we really look forward to, isn't it? Do let us know by commenting in the section. Salman Khan and his rumored lady love Ulya Vantur never shy of being seen with each other, and it is common to see them enjoying together at various social tours. But still, the two have never admitted to being in a relationship. Sources close to the two reveal that Salman and Ulya planned to visit the Mount Mary Church in Bandra but had to drop the plan when Salman's team reported that the media were aware of their plans and the paparazzi were all ready to click the two. Well, while we did miss a chance at some amazing pictures of the two at church, we wonder what it is with Salman and Ulya going to church suddenly. What do you think? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
ऐश्वर्या, हस्बैंड वाइफ की कहानी आपने जैसे प्रोमो में देखा, प्रोमो देखकर आप काफ़ी इमोशनल भी हुई, तो अभिषेक को आप यहाँ पर कितना मिस कर रहे हैं आज?
आपको मुझसे बस सवाल पूछना ही था कि ये मैं क्या बोलूँ?
कोई
आधे घंटे में घर जा रही हूँ, मिलेंगे फिर से।
कोई मेमोरी अगर आप शेयर करना, अभिषेक के साथ की कोई अगर आप मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहे, कोई यादें अगर जुड़ी हो आपकी?
जुड़ी हो, मैं जिंदगी में बिता रही हूँ साथ में, अभी यादें तो हर क्षण बन रहे हैं। So far too many. It's a lifetime together. Thank you. आपको मुझसे बस सवाल पूछना ही था कि ये मतलब ये मैं क्या बोलूं?
कोई
आधे घंटे में घर जा रही हूँ, मिलेंगे फिर से।
कोई मेमोरी अगर आप शेयर करना, अभिषेक के साथ की कोई अगर आप मेमोरी शेयर करना चाहे, कोई यादें अगर जुड़ी हो आपकी?
मैं जुड़ी हूँ, मैं जिंदगी में बिता रही हूँ साथ में, अभी यादें तो हर क्षण बन रहे हैं। So far too many. It's a lifetime together. Thank you.
Yes, Khiladi Akshay Kumar is always busy. Having delivered a hit in the form of Jolly LLB 2, Akshay plunged head-on into the making of Toilet Ek Prem Katha, which is a satirical comedy on PM Narendra Modi's Swachh Bharat campaign. The film narrates a love story of a pay-and-use toilet owner who is smitten by a girl belonging to the slums. Produced by Neeraj Pandey and directed by Shri Narayan Singh, the story is a simple comedy with an underlining message trying to curb the evil of defecating in the open. And now the trailer of this Akshay and Bhumi Pednekar starrer is out, and my, it has impressed one and all, so much so that the censor board chief Pehlaj Nehlani was all praised for it and even stated that the film should be made tax-free. Well, we can't help but agree with him and are totally smitten with the trailer, which shows the unusual chemistry between the main lead unfold. So have you enjoyed the trailer yet? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
आप एक फिल्म में काम कर रहे हैं जिसमें आपका स्क्रीन टाइम, स्क्रीन स्पेस सारा सलमान भाई के साथ, तो एक बहुत ही सरियल सी फीलिंग है। काफ़ी इनिशियली मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली भाई का जो ऑरा है इतना बड़ा है, तो आई हैव इंटरेक्टेड विद हिम सोशली, लेकिन एक पर्सनल स्पेस में मैं कभी नहीं उतर पाया उनके साथ। लेकिन अभी हमने 25 दिन का जो स्केट किया, तो आई हैव सीन अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड टू हिम। एक बहुत ही ही इज़ अ वेरी केयरिंग पर्सन, बहुत कंसर्न्ड इंडिविजुअल है। वो एक ऐसे इंसान है कि उन्होंने मुझे एक बात कही थी, कहते हैं अंगद ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, जब आप काम कर रहे हो किसी के साथ, आपका काम है कि दे स्टैंड आउट, इफ़ दे स्टैंड आउट देन यू स्टैंड आउट। मतलब इससे बड़ी बात क्या हो सकती है? यूजुअली एक्टर्स देखते हैं कि मेरा काम कैसा है, मेरा क्लोजअप कैसा है, मैं कैसा कर रहा हूँ, बट ही इज़ अ टीम प्लेयर। उन्होंने यही कहा कि हमेशा कोशिश करो कि आपके साथ जो काम कर रहा है वो अगर चमकेगा तो आप भी चमको। तो ये मैं बात कभी नहीं भूलूँ। थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें हैं जिस तरीके से वो उनके साथ मेरा जो कॉन्वर्सेशन रहा है या जो भी उनको ऑब्जर्व किया है, ही इज़ अ वेरी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड पर्सन। सेट को हमेशा एक फैमिली की तरीके से देखते हैं, साथ में सबके साथ बैठकर खाना, सबसे बात करनी, आइडिएट करना अली के साथ, इम्प्रोवाइजेशंस, ही लाइक्स टू शेयर। वो चाहते हैं कि जैसे मेरा किरदार है, मेरा किरदार जो है, हिज नेम इज़ मेजर नमित खन्ना जी, तो वो हमेशा उनके साथ रहता है, और जिस तरीके से वो मेरे बारे में भी सोचते हैं, मेरे किरदार के बारे में भी सोचते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि मेरा किरदार है वो उनका किरदार भी है। यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो इट्स अ ग्रेट सिनर्जी टू बी इन सच अ सेटअप।
Salman Khan's Tubelight is on the verge of release in less than a month, and the countdown for this cross-border love story has already begun. But in the meanwhile, the makers are ensuring that fans never forget Tubelight for even a wee bit. And so when they launched their new song Tinka Tinka, it was pure magic. In contrast to the radio song and the Naach Meri Jaan peppy number, Tinka Tinka was a very heart-wrenching number about the loss of a loved one. Rahat Fateh Ali Khan's lyrics simply washed us over and left us numb. No wonder the song struck a chord with the masses and has already garnered 5 million views. Slated to release on 23rd June, Tubelight reveals the journey of Lakshman, who embarks on a journey to look for his lost brother. Indeed, a compelling watch. While we bring more updates on Tubelight, let us know if the Tinka Tinka song struck a chord with you. Didn't we tell you that Saif's daughter Sara Ali Khan would be doing a movie, Kedarnath? Yes, and now she has made it official by going to Kedarnath. Isn't that a wonderful way to start a debut flick? Well, Sara Ali Khan was rumored to be starring in Karan Johar's Student of the Year. She was also said to be working in another movie. However, reports have now confirmed that Sara would be doing Kedarnath. The gorgeous daughter of Saif and Amrita also hit headlines recently for having been seen with Shah Rukh's son Aryan. So are the two going to work in a film together? Well, we sure would like to see the star kids in action in whichever movie they are. There were also reports that Sara got her gorgeous quotient from Kareena Kapoor, while Amrita Singh, her mother, was not too keen about her wearing Sara's clothes. There were also reports that Sara got her gorgeous quotient from Kareena Kapoor. Whatever the situation is, Sara is here to debut in Bollywood, and aren't we excited to see the little girl grow into a talented actress? Do let us know what do you feel about Sara Ali Khan's visit to Kedarnath and her debut in the movie of the same name. After the infamous fight with Kapil Sharma, Sunil Grover bid adieu to the show. Soon other artists also followed suit. And now we will have Sunil back on the TV on a brand new show, Super Night with Tubelight. Yes, it's confirmed, and the makers have also launched a promo where we spotted Ali Asgar, Sugandha Mishra and Sanket Bhosle. But Sunil was conspicuous with his absence, and just when we least expected it, the makers popped the surprise element by revealing that Sunil Grover would be back. The title spots a huge injection over it, hinting that Sunil will soon return in his famous Dr. Mashhoor Gulati avatar. That's not all, the makers have even planned a special episode which will be graced by none other than Salman Khan, who will promote his film Tubelight on the show. With Sunil, Salman and the other team members, we are surely in for a laughter riot, isn't it? So does this news sound exciting? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Akshay Kumar could replace Salman in the reality show Das Ka Dam. Yes, rumors are that the fact that Reshma Shetty is no longer part of the Salman Khan team has led to Sohail Khan's agency quoting an astronomical sum that it is beyond the reach of Sony Channel. We do not know if Salman would be continuing, but we do know that if he does not, then it is the Khiladi of Bollywood who would take over the show. Das Ka Dam was a very entertaining show from the likes of Salman Khan, and he is already popular with his show on Colors, Bigg Boss, with so many reality shows to his credit. Salman sure knows how to keep the television audience entertained, but since he may not be there in Das Ka Dam, we wonder if Akshay could hold the same amount of attention. Meanwhile, his dates are also on a regular problem as he is busy with Tubelight and Tiger Zindha Hai. What do you feel about this? Do let us know. Just yesterday, we showed you a picture of Navya Naveli, Amitabh's granddaughter, in a bikini, and here we have Suhana Khan, Shah Rukh's daughter, looking hot in this vacation picture, which shows off her bikini quotient. Yes, flanked by Chunky Pandey's daughter Ananya and Sanjay Kapoor's daughter Shanaya, the three divas sure look all set for a grand Bollywood debut. So who would head the debut race is the question, for apparently Ananya is all ready to come out with a debut flick soon. Meanwhile, Suhana Khan is surely winning a lot of thumbs up and bows with her cool quotient, and we know she is a combination of Gauri Khan in style and Shah Rukh in terms of assertiveness. Sure, we love the girl and wonder how time flies with these star kids now flooding Bollywood town. Hey na? Do let us know how you feel to watch the Khan girl in action. We had earlier reported that Salman Khan along with brother Sohail Khan were present at the sets of Nach Baliye 8, where they promoted their soon-to-release film Tubelight. While the Khan brothers' jury is something to look out for, the stage also marked the reunion of Chulbul Salman with his Rancho Sonakshi Sinha, who is a judge on the show. It was indeed a reunion of sorts as the two Dabangg stars took to stage and set it on fire with their dance moves. Salman and Sohail also showed some bhaihood with the song Nach Meri Jaan from their film Tubelight. In his inimitable style, Salman also matched the beats of the dancers and seemed to be having a blast. Well, this is indeed one episode we wouldn't want to miss. Henna, do let us know by commenting in the section below.